What's up, my beautiful makeup slayers? My name is Eve. I'm so excited to do this video for you because I'm going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam X. Sorry you got to see my blacked out shipping label because they decided to stick it right next to the name instead of putting it on the back where that would make too much sense. Of course not. Now, this box is going to be a quarterly box. It's going to cost you $55. And this box is created by somebody famous, and her name is Addison Rae. I didn't know who that was. If you do, you are a lot more trendy than I am. But when I looked her up, I guess she does TikTok videos, and that's how she became famous. And she has videos where she's dancing with her mom. That's what I saw when I looked her name up. If you would like to know more about her, it is in the pamphlet that comes in the box. And then she also goes into why she picked the items in this box, and it tells you how much the item is. Now, before I start grabbing things, everybody knows I absolutely love sweaters. And this one caught my eye because it has my favorite food on it. Everybody knows I love ramen, and I'm going to show you this cute hoodie. Here we go. Here's the ramen, and then here's this cute little guy eating ramen, and my very hip son told me it's Naruto. He had to tell me because I don't watch anime. But when I saw this, absolutely had to buy it. It is so adorable. Sugar Bear is getting impatient, so hold on a second. Lay down, Shuggy. Your time's coming. We all know that they're all here for you. Now, if you have not yet, please subscribe to my video and enjoy this corniness all the time. Now with that, we're gonna grab the first item. I've seen this company in boxes before. It's called Aceology, but they usually have peel-off masks. I've tried two. I don't like them, tugging at the skin. I'm not about that because it can give you wrinkles, and this face doesn't need more wrinkles. That's the whole point of skincare, isn't it? Now this is a sheet mask, which makes more sense. So I'm gonna show you this box. And this is a multivitamin brightening sheet mask. You get 4 in here. I tried this today and it was nice. So you can see there's only 3 there because I used one. And of course I've only used one. My idea about it may change after I use the other 3. But it's just nice. It's a basic sheet mask, and you can get a lot cheaper options. There are a ton of options out there for you, so you don't have to pay for this price. Absolutely, since it's in the box, I'm gonna so use it because it was a very nice sheet mask. I used that, like I said, today, and if you could see, my skin is glowing, and I'm here for it. But this one costs you $59 for all 4 of them. That means it's $14.75 for each sheet mask. $14.75 is a lot for a sheet mask. So like I said, if you're looking for one, there's plenty of options for a cheaper price. Now I'm gonna go for the second item. This is the Stila, and this is the Stay All Day Smudge Stick. And this is a waterproof eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. And this is what's on my bottom lash line at the outer corner. And if you can see that, it is absolutely gorgeous. I hope this picks up. And I ask a lot for my eyeliner. I have allergy, watery eyes, so it makes it very difficult for the pigment to stay. This sure stayed. It looks amazing. When I put it on, I didn't have to swipe back and forth like that. The pigment went on there. I'm so happy with this. This is the only eyeliner I'm going to be using. I'm going to show it to you. It's a basic black eyeliner. They say it's color Stingray. So show that to you. Here's a swatch I put at the back of my hand. This is the only cosmetic item in the box. And I'm okay with that because skincare and stuff is expensive. So if I don't have to pay for it, 2 thumbs up. That one is $22. The third item is really cool glasses. I've seen really popular people wearing this brand, but I've never tried it. I've always been an Oakley girl, but I've been interested in this because they have some cool designs. But I hope the quality is there too because they're not cheap. So here we go. Here's the front. And they're saying that it's called high key. I think how it's spelled, it should be way, but what do I know? So I guess they're called the high key glasses, and these are $65. So let's open it and see if it's worth it. And it comes with a cleaning cloth as well. I love the color. They went for the extra step of putting protective things on the glasses, which is nice. Make sure they're clean. And now you have to be honest, am I rocking this? I try to pick the shape that looked the best on me, but we're gonna see. What do you think? Am I rocking these, or am I too old for these? I really like them. I think they're really cool, but I may look like a total idiot on them. I know that you'll be honest in the comments and tell me what you think. And let me see the style of it. It's hindsight and it's black smoke. So I'm gonna put these away because I cannot wait to wear these things. And the quality is really nice. I think that it's absolutely worth the $65. I just hope I do it justice. Now we're gonna go for an eye cream. This is called the MZ Skin. So to show you the box, go ahead and take it out. This one has big claims on the box. Now they're saying it's soothe and smooth. It's a hyaluronic brightening complex. And in the pamphlet, it was saying that it's supposed to go underneath your concealer and it's supposed to give you creaseless eyes. I used it one time, but I had creasing in my eyes. I do get that with no matter what concealer I use, there is always some kind of creasing. The best one I've tried is going to be the Rare Beauty concealer. That's the one where my eyes look the best, but with this, my eyes did crease on it. So I'm gonna show you, it's a very gorgeous packaging. If they didn't say that, I think it's a nice cream. It has a bit of bounce to it, which is really nice. You can't tell, but when you put your finger in it, it's bouncy. I absolutely love that, but it does not give you creaseless eyes. And this one is a big price tag. This little jar, and I'm gonna try to see if it tells me the amount, 0.47, so it's a decent amount, but it's $143. That's a lot for an eye cream. I'm glad to try it. Maybe if I get to the bottom of it, my opinion will change about the price, but I have better eye creams for a lot cheaper. But stoked it's in the box. And speaking of stoked, I'm so excited. This has been sitting in my Sephora cart forever. I have not bit the bullet. Then I saw it as a choice. And to say I was excited, that would be an understatement. This is the K18, and this is a leave-in repair mask. So it's gonna repair your hair, make it healthier, and who's not about that? So you wash your hair normally, shampoo, conditioner, towel dry. When you come out, you put this on and you leave it on, and it's supposed to strengthen your hair. Because I have a lot of wash off hair masks, but this is one that is a leave-in that I've heard a lot of good things about. People have been raving about this, that it has totally changed their hair. And who doesn't want that? So I'm gonna show you this. Like I said, so stoked to try it. And this one is $75. Now the sixth item. Everybody says this name differently. I say it's 111 and it's skin. So 111 skin. That's just how I pronounce it. If you think it's said differently, put it down and tell me what you think it's supposed to be said. I think 111. But this is a face wash. This is a lot to take in. So it's a cryo pre-activated toning cleanser. I don't like it when products say toning. All face washes are toning. You have to have a really shitty cleanser for it not to be toning. Back in the day, way before my time, face washes were not toning. Now they are supposed to keep your skin balanced, your pH level. So that is just, that's nonsense. They shouldn't have put this on there. It's a nice face wash. It is not going to be my new holy grail face wash. It's just nice. And this one is going to be $70. My favorite is the e.l.f. Jelly Face Wash. It is amazing. It doesn't irritate. It glides beautifully. It makes your face feel amazing. It's just awesome. Now I'm going to go into the seventh product. It is going to be the Kinship Lip Jelly. And it's so cute, this box. And it says, melt like jelly. So it's a lip mask that has hyaluronic acid, so it's going to really plump up your lips. Show you the cute tube. And this is really thick, so you have to squeeze the hell out of it to get it out. And then here we go. Add it on. Because yes, please, moisturized lips for these dry crack things, absolutely. So this one feels really nice. It has a nice glide to it. It's not overly thick on your lips. It feels thick in here, but when it goes onto your lips, it melts perfectly, so you only need a little bit. So this is going to really last you. Feels amazing. It doesn't have any taste or anything, which I'm okay with. And this one is going to cost you $18. Now the last item is another brand I was so excited to see in this box. This is the Tula Skincare, and it's 24-hour, 24/7 moisture hydrating cream. That's a better way to say it. So it's going to be a day and night cream. So it's supposed to be all in one, so you don't have to have a separate moisturizer for the day and night if you don't want it. And usually, it's usually lacking one of the areas. It's usually not a very super hydrating night cream, or it lacks as a day cream. So one of them is lacking. This is not. This is absolutely beautiful. This laid underneath my makeup perfectly, so it wasn't lacking in that department. And then far as a night cream, it's going to be perfect because it's nice and thick. And it's super hydrating. I'm going to go ahead and show you it next to the box because the packaging, again, is absolutely breathtaking. And this is a really good skincare line because they add probiotics into their moisturizer. So every time you're wearing it, your skin is going to get better, which is always a good thing. Absolutely love this. And what can you say about the packaging? That is just so cute. And this brand, I'm telling you, is awesome. If you haven't tried it, you have to try more of their items. And it has a cute little message, unleash your glow. That is absolutely adorable. And this is $52, so that's not bad at all for the great ingredients you're getting in this. And it can replace your AM and PM face moisturizer. And that is the last item in the box. So we're gonna go and tell you what the total is. This total box value is $504, and spending, what was it? I think it was $55. Yeah, $55 on this box. Boy, did I get my money's worth. I'm trying to see what was closest to that. What was the closest thing to that? I would say the Tula. The Tula is $52. So right there, you got all the other stuff for free. Absolutely value. Ipsy has been killing it lately. I've been so impressed. A few months ago, I was not. I was so close to canceling, and I'm so glad I didn't, because this year, Ipsy has been killing their items. Every single box, they are knocking my socks off. I'm so impressed with them. So way to go, Ipsy. I look forward to getting this box every single month. So they are doing something right. Now, with that being the end of the video, if you liked my corny video, please like, subscribe, come one of my beautiful makeup slayers. I welcome you. I welcome all. If you have fun with makeup and skincare, you are welcome at my channel. And there's no perfection here, that's for sure. I screw up a lot, so you have to be okay with that. If you're a perfectionist and don't like mess ups, you're not gonna like me, so you better unsubscribe. So I'm gonna grab my co-star. This is my Sugar Bear, and she is doing better. She got her boot off yesterday. She had a bad cyst on her paw, but it finally cleared up. So she's back to her normal little fiery self. So we're gonna look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.